Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP DeskJet Ink Advantage 2700 series all-in-one printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser and you want to search for HP DeskJet Ink Advantage 2700 all-in-one drivers. Go ahead and search for that. Best results should come back with an HP DeskJet Ink Advantage 2700 all-in-one series. Go ahead and open that up. And now they're on this page. You want to scroll down and select the Easy Start Printer Setup software. Go ahead and download that. And once it's downloaded to your computer, go ahead and open it up to run that file. And it should be signed by a verified publisher, HP Ink. Select Yes to install, and then just follow through with the on-screen prompts about setting up your configuration type, whether it's a wireless or wired connection, basically is what I'm saying. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.